Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be preparing monsoon special kodbale, just like that of maiyas, onion kodbale. So we'll see what are all the ingredients we need for that. First we need rice flour, which is from flour mill. I have taken thick rice and ground in flour mill, and one coconut, one full coconut grated, fried gram 2 cups, 6 onions, butter 100 grams, jeera 4 teaspoons, salt according to the taste, or I have taken 4 teaspoons here, and red chilli powder according to taste, or I have taken here again 4 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Firstly, you have to grind the fried gram into fine powder. Fine powder is ready. Now to the rice flour we will add the grated coconut and mix it properly until coconut leaves water into the rice flour. Rice flour I have taken is 4 full glasses, water glasses. In the water glasses I have taken 4 full glasses of rice flour. Now I am adding butter here. You need not melt butter, you can add butter as such and mix it properly using your hands. Now add the fine powdered fried gram, mix it. Every ingredient should be mixed properly. Now add jeera, salt, give it a mix. We can mix for 5 to 10 minutes. You need not grind coconut here, you can add it directly so that it gives a very good taste. Mix it. Now I am adding red chilli powder. Mix it properly. Heat some 2 tablespoons of oil. When it is not boiling, you should not boil it. When it is hot, you can add it to the mixture. Now using a spoon you can mix it. Mix it evenly. I am taking here 6 onions. So using more onions will make your kodbale very soft. So for 4 full glasses of rice flour I am using 6 onions. 1 teaspoon of jeera I am adding to the onions and grinding it to a fine paste. Now the fine paste you can add it to the mixture, the kodbale mixture here. Mix it properly. Now after you mix it, you have to take a small portion of the mixture into a separate vessel and make it into a dough. Because if you mix all the mixture together, make it a dough together, then it will be sour, and when you fry it later it will be very soft. The crispiness will not come. So take small portions of the mixture, whatever you have done, you have made it. Now I am taking a small portion into a separate vessel, adding water, make it a dough like chapati dough. That consistency you have to make. Now take a small portion of this made dough and roll it like this horizontally to 1 centimeter thickness. You can make it and roll it like this. 1 roll is enough. More rolls will make it soft, so that's why 1 roll should be enough. Yeah, that's it. So this is how we have to make, and then heat oil. When it is hot enough to fry, you have to put all the kodbale into the oil. Do not disturb it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can flip it around after 5 minutes you can see whether, yeah, you can flip it around now. See how good it is, very crispy. Now it is golden brown. You can take it out into on the tissue paper so that oil, more oil will absorb. So take it on the tissue paper. Yes, our crispy hot kodbale is ready in this monsoon season. Please try it at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. Please do comment. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And if you are looking for more videos like this, please click the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.